ExactRate liquid fertilizer systems can run fertilizer prescriptions. In this video, I will show you how to create, import, and run a fertilizer prescription along with a seed prescription. With the ExactRate liquid fertilizer system on a SeedStar 4 HP planter, fertilizer prescriptions can be created and run alongside the seed prescriptions. When creating the seed prescriptions, use the seeding drop-down in Agrian. When creating fertilizer prescriptions, use the application drop-down. It is a good idea to name the fertilizer prescription similar to the seed prescription. This makes it easier to verify the correct ones are chosen in the field. Once your seeding and fertilizer prescriptions are created, send all of them to the same tractor display using JD Link or a USB. Now that the prescriptions are created and sent to the tractor, we will load both the fertilizer and seed prescriptions to the display using File Manager. Open the menu on the display. Choose the System tab and File Manager. Choose the Import tab and then pick Import from USB drive or Import from received files. Follow the on-screen directions to import the files. Now that the prescriptions are available on the display, you will need to choose which seed prescription to run and which fertilizer prescription to run. To set the seed prescription, navigate to Work Setup. Input the correct crop and variety if it is not already complete. We will use corn for this example. Set the target rate to RX and press the name field to open all of the prescriptions. Choose the seed prescription from the list and press OK. Next, review the seed prescription rate setup, then click Save. For the fertilizer prescription, open the fertilizer operation. Input the fertilizer type. Set the target rate to RX and press the name field to open all of the prescriptions. Choose the fertilizer prescription from the list and press OK. Next, review the fertilizer prescription rate setup, then click Save. On the Run page, the seed target population is now set to the seed prescription, and the fertilizer target rate is now set to the fertilizer prescription. As the planter travels across the field, the seed rate will change on each individual row as it passes into a new zone. However, the fertilizer rate will not change until all rows pass into the new zone. This is due to the fact that the fertilizer rate is dependent on the pressure from a single pump. It is recommended to use section control when running a prescription on ExactRate systems. If section control is not activated, the system will apply the minimum rate to any areas that would otherwise receive a rate of 0. Now you should be able to create, import, and run a fertilizer prescription along with a seed prescription.